driveway. We don't have to push it too far. Best way to do it is just help you push it because they ain't going nowhere with the flat.
Yep. All right, 1, 2, 3.
Yep. There we go. Yeah, see, it's not that bad with that one flat, but it's still heavy. This car's a shitbox, man. I don't want to deal with it, but I'm gonna.
Hey guys, I'm making a delivery here in Sandwich, Massachusetts. This is like on the arm, you know, of Massachusetts near Cape Cod. It's like all the beautiful beaches, the Cape Cod style homes. That's where the term came from. You can see right there. So those are the 1.5 stories. So they're 1 story, then they have what's called a half story on the top. So there's livable space up there, but it's usually only 50% of the square footage on your first floor. So these are the home deliveries that I do out here. This is super residential. This is a beach town, beach, you know, area. So I'm delivering this little Honda CRX right here. Back in the day, that was the car. This is what we used to do. So I was able to turn around over there, came back because we're going to use the hill here. This car is actually Inop, and then we're going to be dropping it right here. So I had to use the winch, you know, to pull it up. And then when I leave, I'm going to record a little bit, show you guys, you know, leaving this area. I mean, this is a super tight, and you guys can see if you look on that turn right there, they put those 3 rocks, and that's so that people don't, you know, go over the curb, and that makes it almost impossible to make that turn too. So let's get this car off and finish the delivery. And then this other Escalade is actually also up here. This one is also up here in the Cape Cod region. It's going to be also a home delivery. So that's what I do. The big difference between cars versus freight, and also big difference between like a 9 car and, you know, a 3 car like I do. Specialized delivery. All right, ready?
Yeah, it's gonna go right down the driveway. That'll be all right, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna let it roll, hopefully turn, and I want to use the momentum.
Oh yeah.
But I also don't want it to roll too fast because I don't want the front scraping.
Yeah.
Because it's a lower. Yeah. Well, because it's low in, because it doesn't have air in the tire, so it's gonna be a little lower.
You know how depressing it is for me to look at this car?
I know, man.
Yeah, it's one of the things. They're extremely rare too. Look at the HF model, man.
Yeah, I never heard of that, but there's so many weird models out there.
Yeah,
you just
Honda made a lot of weird ones through the years. A lot of strange models in there versus Toyota. I like Toyota better though. I think Toyota's a better car. But the old ones I'll take any day. These Hondas.
Yeah, I had a
I'll show you inside the hood how many vac lines. Like over 60 vac lines. It's the most complicated system.
Come on.
That's why they ran so efficient. Parts, if you took this car apart and sold the parts separate,
yeah,
you'd probably make more.
Yep.
People kill for that stuff.
Yeah, I think I can pull this off. Yeah, we're good.
I just sold one. I had a 84
barely made
DX, a hatchback. It's around Boston right now.
84?
Yeah, nice. Right from Charlotte. I found it around here, and I found it out in Seekonk. I bought it, put a Weber on it. I fucked it all up, but I made it nice. You know,
yeah.
I took all the original. This I wouldn't do that to. People want that system.
Yeah.
It's not worth much now.
You know what I had that was like a little bit different, a lot of people didn't know, was the Canadian version.
Yeah,
they're like JDMs.
Kilometers too.
Yeah, well, they come with a different system because they don't have the EPA and all that. So the computer, it would cut off at a higher RPM.
Yeah.
It had a little bit more horsepower.
Yeah.
You know, different exhaust, stuff like that. So a buddy of mine ended up buying one.
So you're into all that?
Yeah, he bought a Canadian one. That was in 2002, like
it's
back in the day. Yeah. It's a lot of headache. Like, even him now, like now he has a luxury you know, Lexus or something.
Yeah,
you just
buy a car and that's it.
you just buy it, pay insurance, and drive it.
Yeah, that's how
Alright, so let's see how long it takes me to move this car and do this the right way, the safe way, right? So when you guys tell me that you're in a rush, you didn't want to do it, right, then we can watch this video and say, wow, you're in a rush. You don't have 3 minutes to be safe, huh? That's interesting. Look at this. All right, so how long did this take to be safe? I don't know, I think it was about 3 to 5 minutes, I would say. Look at that. Now we're safe. Done.
driveway. We're not pushing too far. Best way to do it is just help you push it because they ain't going nowhere.
Yep. All right, 1, 2, 3.
There we go. Yeah, see, it's not that bad with that one flat, but it's still heavy. This car's a shit box. I don't want to deal with it, but I'm gonna. That should be good, man. We don't have to kill ourselves. I appreciate it, though.
You okay? That car's gonna be able to move out?
Yeah, man, I should push it in a little bit more onto the cement. Yeah, because
yep. All
this
right.
ain't even my house, man. This is US property. We'll probably go back to this. It's already bad they're having it here.
All right.
Let me help you put it from the front, man. It's easy. I ain't going nowhere.
All right.
Let me help you from the front here. Whoa. There we go. That should be good, man.
All right.
Ain't going nowhere. I appreciate help, man.
Yeah, pull that handbrake so it'll move.
Yeah, man. Be safe.
Yeah.
You're heading to Philly again, huh?
Nice little Cape Cod home delivery. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of the driving out of here. So we'll see how this goes. see a lot out here in Cape Cod are these rotaries. This one is a big one. Usually they're very small.